guys, it's Jaime Zabidi. I want to put this video out there and show you an account that I've been managing for the last 6 months. You can see over here, December, the sales for the month were $3,000. And then January, it shot up to $24,000, which is unbelievable. From $3,000 to $24,000 the next month. And then you could just over here, it's doubling. Every month is doubling. December was $3,000. January was $24,000. February was $55,000. Keep in mind, we're not adding new products. There are 10 products on this account. We're just building it up the correct way. We went from $3,000 one month, then to $24,000, then to $55,000, then to $103,000. So the client's getting very excited now. The next month we did $155,000 in April. So now it's May. We did $115,000. Why is there a drop? There is no drop. It is the middle of the month. So that means we are on target to doing about $230,000 this month. I actually hope that doesn't happen because my goal is $300,000. I'll release another video in the next 2 weeks and we can see what happened with this month. But yeah, my goal is $300,000 for this month. So again, you could just look over here. 6 months, $3,000, then $24,000, then $55,000, then $103,000, then $155,000. And now this month, worst case is going to be in the 2s. I'm hoping the 3s. We're going to make that happen actually. So yeah, let's get it in the 3s. And I'm very proud of this. These are great results. Very, very proud of it. And that's why also it's very important for me to be able to choose who I want to work with. I can't work with everybody. I need to work with people who have the right quantity, they have the right inventory, they know the importance of high quality images and high quality listings. And you know, not everyone's going to make it in Amazon, but these guys are going to make it in Amazon because they're doing all the right things. And I just want to show you over here, conversion rate. See over here was 7%, 8%, 9%, 10%. So it's getting better and better. Still 10%. Now it's 11%. Now it's 12%. Now it's 13%. So it's fluctuating a little now between 13 and 10. But yeah, we are doing everything that we're supposed to be doing. It's great. And thank God, I'm very proud of what I've done. I'm very proud of the client. And thank God, everything is going great with this account. So here is a lightning deal. It's just a random thing I just want to put out there. Make sure your conversion for lightning deals is, well, actually, it was a little higher than this before. I think it was about 10%. It maybe went down a little bit. But yeah, it should be a nice amount of conversion going on over here. You see some people that they have deals. They run 7-day deals, lightning day deals, and they don't check if it sells or if it doesn't sell. They just think, yeah, leave it. If you have lightning deals that are not selling, you're hurting yourself. Don't run those deals. You are showing Amazon that your product doesn't deserve to sell when it's being shown in front of the whole world. Yeah, make sure you're checking your conversion rate on your deals. Make sure you are trying to build sales every month after month. And yeah, that's it for today, guys. Take care. Thank you for watching.